Okay, today we're going to talk about adjusting the fonts of your layout using CSS. So, first of all, it's important if you're using fonts that aren't web-safe fonts, like over on Illustrator. This one is Verdana, so that's web-safe, and you don't have to make a link to it in your document. But this font was a web font found on Google Fonts, so you have to make a link so that it'll be able to load in the browser. And you'll see that link right here. Links to, when you go to the page that the font is on, there's a link to include, and this is that link. So that's basically how you make sure that will show up. Now in the CSS document, you want to put your most used font, like for your headers, as a font family up here at the top. And as a backup, just the sans serif font is what I put, because that matches with the sans serif style of the font that I'm using. And since it's not really a bold or italic font, you want to set your default font weight to normal. Now down here, the font is set for the other elements, such as the navigation, the buttons. The font size is set to 14, and down here for the lower buttons is set to 12. And for the headings, the font sizes are set to 60 for heading 1, 36 for heading 2, and 12 for the article text. And the line height and font family for the article text is also set down here, down in the subtext. So Verdana, and I don't have to link to it back in the HTML document because that's a web-safe font. And I set my line height to 160%, and that can be adjusted if it doesn't look good enough. But as it is, we can look and see what it looks like so far. Oh, and also the highlight, 12 point and 150% spacing. So this is not what it looks like. It was what it looked like 2 seconds ago. Let's see if we can get it to show back up. Oh, okay, I see. Here, we will open it up in the browser. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you'll see that this is how it got added, and all the links are working. And the spacing is good, and it's looking a lot like how layout was supposed to be in Illustrator. Thank you.